So in this video, I want to show how I replace my rubber wheel with black vinyl tape to make it spin. And I did a video showing how to fix it, and it helped a lot of people. I did a video how to do a quick fix on the wheel, and it helped a lot of people. But in that last video, I know that was a quick fix, and that idea wouldn't last long, so it didn't last long for me. So I know it didn't last long for others. So this method has been lasting for about say 3 months now. 3 months now, and I've done a lot of cuts. And it hadn't worn out yet. This wheel is about to wear out, and I'm gonna have to do the same thing. So now that I see that the black vinyl tape is working, I want to do a video and show you guys something that's gonna last a little longer. Let's get into the video. Today I'm going to do a cut on my Nurse Vibes Only and show you how my Cricut machine was fixed using black vinyl tape with a screwdriver. And the screwdriver would just be to hold up the bar, hold up that metal bar, and put the tape around the part where the wheel was. The bar, you lift the bar slightly, gently, and wedge the screwdriver under there, and that way that'll give you access to the wheel, the part where you need to put the tape. I was going to try to show how I put the tape around the area and made it work, but I have too much tape right there and it's too thick to put the tape around it. So what I'm going to do is show an example on a blank part of the bar to where I can put the tape around it. And all I did was really just got the tape, used my tape right here and tore a little bit, not even that much. I wish I would have recorded it when I did it, but I remember I think I was tearing smaller pieces and wrapping it over each other over and over again till I got it thick enough, because if you put it too long you would not be able to wrap it. Like right here, I couldn't wrap it. So what I did was tore smaller pieces. This piece right here is probably too long, but even if I could have got something that pushed that through to wrap it around, but I didn't. So it would be best if you tore smaller pieces to where you can just wrap it around, maybe push it through with your finger and wrap it around and keep wrapping it. Yeah, you want to keep wrapping it and get it to the consistency or the size of the wheel as what it would have been, so you can have it kind of like that same height as the other wheel, that same width. But you don't want to put too much, because if you make it too thick, the cutter, when it come down, the cutter will bump that part and it will not cut. So you want to wrap it to where it will spin, and you want to wrap it to, like, I guess the same size as that plastic piece, the little clear plastic pieces right there. As you can see, the wheel is a little bit bigger than those plastic pieces, so I put the tape like maybe a little bit bigger than those plastic pieces, and it's been working ever since. And now I want to show you guys a cut, how smooth it cuts. And I used the black tape to tape my vinyl down as well. And as you can see, it's cutting good as normal. The wheel is moving just like the wheel would. It hasn't given me any problems for the past 3 months. I've been using it. I cut something all the time. So as you can see, this wheel is wearing out pretty bad. And what I'm going to do is rewrap it just like I did with that one. And I have two vinyl tape wheels. So I guess I'll just fast forward through the video and show you the end of the cut, show you that it made it all the way through. Full cut, y'all. It's done.
Don't forget to hit the like button.
So now that's it. I showed you that the black vinyl tape method works if you wrap it around over and over till it's the same width of the wheel. And I measured the wheel with that little plastic piece, and that's it. Now I got my vinyl cut, got my vinyl weeded, got it laid out, ready to heat press. Boom. You might as well see how the final product comes out with the glitter print. I did one cut with the glitter print, the stethoscope and the Vibes Only. Then I did the words with a neon regular vinyl print. Then I did the word nurse with a puff print. And this shirt is available if anybody wants to buy it, or if anybody needs any help printing or anything, hit me up. Info right here on the page.